horrific. You wake up, you see some of the pictures in the news, like that was an amazingly strong storm that came through. They said it was the strongest in 150 years.
Yeah, one of the most powerful to ever hit this country was Hurricane Laura. Thankfully, it's a tropical depression right now, but left a lot of damage along its path.
Yeah, you see the pictures that have been left behind because of what has happened with the devastation of that storm. We're going to be talking to some friends coming up a little bit from Convoy of Hope.
Yeah.
Jeff Nini and the team are already on their way, and they're looking for the best place to set up so they can help out people. And if you're wondering how in the world can you help out, because that's the way, that's one thing that I've known about people who listen to his radio like you, is that you want to help.
Yeah, it's almost like you're a track runner, you know? You're right there at your marker and you're just waiting for the go. We're going to give you the go with Convoy of Hope of how you can get involved.
Now, on our website and on our app, we already have a way that you can help out with storm relief because of Hurricane Laura and the devastation that she left behind. A lot of wind damage in a lot of places. Trees are down, people without power, homes and businesses that were damaged in Louisiana. So text the word storm to 800-447-7234. That's the word storm to 800-447-7234. We'll link you up on how you can help out.